pumps are horizontal, covers are just off. We just bled the pumps, make sure they're all in high speed. Get your check valve on your flow side, pump isolation, condensate drains that go on indirectly, conduit over to the hydraulic separator. And these are just ticking away on low burn. We have a chilled water and heating expansion tank system. As we come around, heating pump. So we've got the flow sensor at the hydraulic separator and the return sensor on the return side of the hydraulic separator. Automatic air vent, we've got isolation. We've just finished commissioning the boilers. We've got a 0 to 10 volt signal. The system's asking for 60 degrees, so this temperature is now building up to 60 degrees. You can close off some of these other boilers, so let's just calm down. As we come around, we've got the pump covers on, check valves on the return, pressure relief valves on the flow. There is isolation on each boiler. Gas cock, everything is barrel union onto the boiler, so that's very easy for servicing and maintenance. All the comms are done via the 2-pole lead. And there we have it, another one running.